Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable clipboard history to save multiple items to the clipboard to use in future. And it is pretty easy and simple. You can copy the simple notes or the web link or even the images. By default it is disabled in our Windows 10 feature, but if you want you can enable it and use it. So I'm going to show you that quickly. Now go to the start menu and then click on settings, then click on system and then scroll down a bit and then click on clipboard. Now turn on the clipboard history here, so it is on. Now let's see how it works. So I'm going to copy some of the notes here. I copied this one and this one also. Now I'm going to copy some web link and the image as well. So let's copy this one. Now to see the clipboard history, you just need to press Windows logo key plus V and then you will see the detail that you have copied. So whenever you want to delete it, then you can delete over here. Then that will be permanently deleted from this clipboard history. And whenever you want to use it for later, then you can pin it. So even if that means even if you shut down the system and restart it, then you will see that that information again when you open the computer. And then whenever you want to clear, then you can remove all the history over here except the pinned items. So let's see. Okay, so this one's still there because I pinned it, but if you want, then you can unpin it and then you can clear the history as well. And whenever you want to turn it off, the same way you can do it. Go to start menu and then go to settings, then go to system and then click on clipboard and then you can turn it off. But make sure that whenever this feature is turned on, please do not copy any sensitive information like your login information, the password or the banking details, anything whatever you think which is sensitive. Even if you do that, make sure that you clear the the history so that there will be no information in future once you're done using that. So I hope you liked the video. It is pretty simple and useful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.